Oh my God, Bitcoin is crashing. Bitcoin is going back to 20K. Sell everything. Run, run, run for your life. Bitcoin is just gonna crash, crash, crash like crazy. It's crashing. Just sell everything right now. Is it? Is it really? Well, let's look at what the chart is telling us. Because I don't think so. I think Bitcoin is about to make a very big move that a lot of people are probably not expecting. And I found this in the chart and I'm going to share with you guys right now. Okay, let's look at what the Bitcoin chart is telling us here. We're going to check out the 4-hour time frame. So this is what I found on the 4-hour time frame. You're not going to believe this. Okay, I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to crash to 52K. I don't believe it's going to crash all the way to 20K like a lot of people are expecting. So right now, what I saw on the 4-hour time frame, I saw that Bitcoin is actually forming a falling wedge pattern, and as we all know, that falling wedge is actually a bullish pattern, and that means that it's going to eventually break out. And you can see here it's heading towards the end of the wedge, and so eventually it has to break out upwards. And not only that, I also saw that on the RSI indicator we also have a confirmation of a bullish divergence. Those are two confirmations that Bitcoin is about to break out and go all the way to 66,000. Okay, so if I was you, I would be waiting for Bitcoin to break out of this falling wedge just to confirm it. Once it breaks out of that falling wedge and you wait for like an hourly candle to close above it, then you can confidently place your trade and ride it all along to like 66,000. Okay guys, this was just a quick update for you guys. Stay safe out there and have a great day.